review time. I got my little boy over here with me. We're doing a family review over here. Now this is actually, let me see, I actually had to get a card for them. Hello. we got my little guy right here at the back. Here, come here. Sit up here. So this is gonna be our Ramadan special. Whoa. I got my little guy over here. Can you see? Can you see yourself? Okay, this is actually going to be called Tacos El Travioso, and that is located at, where was she located? It is located at 8230 Topanga Canyon Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 91304. Now I'm gonna tell you right now off the gate, this place is going to be bomb. Okay, this place is gonna be delicious because if you could set up shop right in the middle of a sidewalk in a street, look, they're literally right on a sidewalk, like by a bus stop, giving El Pollo Loco competition with buy moves. If you see one of these places and you see an El Pollo Loco and you decide El Pollo Loco is the better place to go than one of these places, I don't know what you're doing with your life. But what we have is a staple, a Southern California staple. Hello, what is this, Aiden? It's a molita. This is a molita. It's like a quesadilla. Now look at that. We got two of them for $7, okay? Two of these massive things, and each one of them weighs about... Each one of them is like, it's like a half a pound, 3/4 of a pound a piece. Now, of course, we have the whole accoutrements. We have the radishes, we have the cucumber, you have your little hot sauces. I got two of them. I got this green one, and then I got this red one. But this, my man is doing it right. Super nice and cheesy, super creamy. It's almost like what you would call like a queso taco, but for the sake of argument, I am gonna go ahead and set her in. Now, of course, everybody knows the rules. What's rule number one, Aiden? You have no idea what the rule number one is. Number one is you go ahead and do it with no sauce. No sauce, no nothing. You're just gonna go ahead and take a bite of it, and then you're gonna go ahead and see how that's working with. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God.
What?
Tacos El Travioso. Oh my God, that is something special right there.
Is it very good?
Oh my God.
Is it good?
You want to try him?
I have vegetables.
He doesn't eat vegetables because it has cilantro in it. You could eat the part that has no vegetables. Look, we're just with the cheese. Here.
I can see it.
Here, nothing. Take a bite.
Oh, see it.
Yeah.
That's good.
Kids don't lie.
Oh, man.
The reaction is great. So now,
good. Oh, right.
we're gonna go ahead and dip it in this hot sauce. You like that one? I got my wife one too, and she had this is a guacamole salsa. But let me get this red one in. I'm not sure if I'm becoming a real wuss about these hot sauces, but that red one is no joke. Oh, instantly made it better though. It's like a really super, like on the front of your tongue, mouth heat. Now we're gonna go ahead and get that drizzle on that one. And then the last one is this green one.
The last one is the green one.
Pop the lemon on there.
I want some more.
You want some more?
Yeah.
This is pretty bomb, dude.
Yeah. Today, we're gonna get my own taco and we're going to Taco Bell.
This is the epitome of what? Like, this brings me back to my old school days when I used to go out with my buddies down in TJ. Huh?
You touch the camera.
Let me just finish and then you can talk to grandma. Grandma camera. But this is amazing. This is awesome. 7.6 on a review. I take that back. Hold on. No, I didn't wait to take it back. I don't know what I'm even thinking. I don't know, like, something's wrong with my mind. This is an 8-6 taco. 8-6 molita. This place is awesome. Go ahead, baby. You definitely need to try it. Tacos El Travioso. Come try it. 8-6 taco. This place is awesome. This is a drive. This is like, I would drive to come here just to have this. I love this place. This place is awesome. So next video, and for up to 50% commission rebate on your next home purchase, 0% listing fee on selling your current home, or any mortgage assistance at all, link in the description below. So next video, guys.
No, I need to talk.
Okay, go ahead. What do you guys say?
And so, I'm getting my own taco and we're going to talk about, I'm going to enjoy the taco. And
Are you done now?
this can be long like a storm.
Are you done now? Alright. Peace out.
Peace out.
Alright. Till next video, guys.
Bye.